Alright, you're on video.
Aieee, oh yeah, baby. Look here, Scott and Angie just came in from Belize. Tell us.
Heard of some good barbecue here.
Yes, sir. We always got good barbecue at this little old place on the bayou, man. I'm glad to see y'all showed up.
We had to have this rig just to get into this place, coming in that backcountry roads like that.
I'm surprised you found us, man.
2,000 miles from Belize to here.
Golly, that's a lot of miles.
Well worth it though, and you walk away that little barbecue doggy bag.
That's it, man. Hey, there's plenty where that came from. You know that. Where's Angie?
She's always avoiding the camera.
All right, Angie, how was the trip?
Yeah.
Huh?
Long.
Long trip?
Long trip.
All right. And y'all know who this little rascal here is. That's Nicholas. Hey, Nick, say Aieee.
Aieee.
Hey, that's my Cajun boy, right? We're so glad to have them show up. I mean, it's great. Good friends are hard to find these days, and I tell you what, we're just so blessed with them. Anyway, the Chef Bourque, and we'll talk with you later. Aieee, oh yeah, baby. All right, sissy, we gotta make some beer. Aieee, oh yeah, baby. Welcome to Chef Bourque's Cajun Kitchen. Yeah, damn. Look here, take you on a little tour of my pot. Right now, it's like in April. Got a lot going on there. My buddies just left, going back home. They come in from Belize. That's where they're staying at these days, and it's a good visit. We barbecued. We had some good grilled, steamed chicken wings. We had ribs. We had some good smoked sausage from Best Stop over on the highway. We seasoned things with M&S grocery seasoning and spices. Everything was great, let me tell you. And now today I'm reopened my Saxon Street Brewery. Me and Sissy here. Where you at, girl? Come here and tell them hi, Sissy. Come on. Come tell them hi. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on. That's a good girl. Anyway, got my brew going. It's going to be an excellent beer, I tell you what. My recipe is always good. I'm shooting for 4 cases right now. And it's all good stuff, you know, all good stuff. Cleanliness is next to the bayou and godliness, let me tell you. Saxon Street Brewery don't do nothing but the best. One thing, when you're making your beer, don't ever put your malt extract right in your pot if it's on the fire, because, you know, even if you got water in there, that stuff just drops straight down to the bottom and burn your pot real good. Anyway, we got it going. Trying out a new hops. Some new hops that I'm trying. It doesn't have so much acid in it, so the bitterness won't be too much. This is going to be an excellent beer, I tell you. It's going to float. The cap's going to float sideways like this. That's your foam. It's going to float like that. It ain't going to lay flat like that. It can, yeah, forever. But it's going to be like that. It's going to be good. Anyway, I'm going to talk to y'all later. Got to take care of my brewskis. Me and Sissy got things to do. I figure I'd let you know what's going on the bayou. All right. Whew, 4 cases, baby. That's going to be good. We'll be drinking this in 21 days. Bang. All right.